Now let's move on to facial hair. I highly recommend removing facial hair as even a little hair will be visible very clearly. Here you can clearly see the difference. Let's move on to the next step, eyebrows. Remember, brows can make or break your face. They are your identity. They give definition to your whole face. This will add a great dimension to your eye makeup. You need to maintain your eyebrows regularly, and any extra growth which impacts the definition needs to be trimmed. Most of the salon professionals can help you in this regard. Cleanliness is not running away from dirt. It is all about taking time and effort to clean it. I always believe in this and I want you to believe this. Let's take some time to learn about the makeup hygiene. We have 3 simple rules. Rule number 1. Clean your brushes regularly. Rule number 2. Check the expiry date of the products. Rule number 3. Sanitize your hands before you start the makeup.